So there are a lot of ways to make your program actually wait for you to do something in order for it to continue on afterwards, and while it waits, you'll be able to see what's on the screen. The way that I'm going to teach you today involves including another library. This one is called, I don't know how to say this exactly, I'd say conio.h. Just keep that in mind. This is how it's spelled, conio.h. Put it right under IOStream, same syntax and everything, keep that in mind. And conio.h includes the command getch, which means get character, which basically means that the program is going to wait for you to input something, and it's going to take that character. And you could include some other stuff here and it would be able to do something with that character, but for now, all it's doing is waiting for you to input a character, and then it's going to move on to the next line, and that line is return 0, ends the program. So in order to put the get character command in, just after you have the cout, hello world, end line, put getch, parentheses like this, and a semicolon. And then we'll be able to see right now what our program looks like. So right there, you got hello world. And our little line right here is blinking on the next line. I'll tell you why that is in just a second. And all you have to do now in order to make the program continue on and go to the return 0 is to just push any character, and there you have it. It takes the character in, doesn't really do anything with it, but it just takes the character in and moves on to the next line, and that is return 0. So this end line right here, what this is doing is it's making the cout go to say it says hello world, and then it moves on to the next line. So you kind of saw in the program here, I'm just going to compile it really fast again, how this is blinking down here on the next line. This is more of a formatting thing than anything, but if I was to take out this end line right here, and I was to go ahead and compile this again, you can see right here, now it's blinking up here because the output is still set to be on this line. It was never told to move down. So that's what that end line does right there. So just a little visual aid right there, you can see what it does. Now cout doesn't have to just output things in quotes right here and spit out just words that we tell it to spit out. It can do quite a few other things. It can put out quite a few other things, and we're going to be going over that in just a few minutes on the next tutorial. So I will see you on the next video. Make sure to review what you've learned here today, that this getch, when you include the conio.h library, will make it so that your program will wait for you to see the output, and you can input any character and it will just end. So congratulations on completing your first program. This is the hello world. I guarantee you every computer programmer and hacker in the world has made a hello world at least once in their lives, so congratulations on taking your first step.